So we want to talk about the 2.04 quiz and some help with that. So when we're talking about our 2.04 quiz, here's a hint for number 1. This is something you need to remember as you're going through this whole quiz, but specifically for number 1. Remember, deductive reasoning leads you to a conclusion based on evidence and facts. Inductive reasoning we talked about is based on experience, and so you make assumptions based on experience. But deductive reasoning is based on evidence and facts, and your conclusion that you come to based on deductive reasoning is always true because you can prove it with evidence and facts or theorems, things that are already proven. This example will help you with numbers 2 and 4. Remember the law of syllogism. What it says is if I get 8 hours of sleep, I feel rested. Well, also, if I feel rested, I perform better on my schoolwork. So, if I get 8 hours of sleep, I perform better on my schoolwork. So, what it does is basically if A, then B, and if B, then C, well, that means that if A, then C. Essentially, it's taking out that middleman here, which is the purple, that feeling rested part. Because it's almost like a domino effect. If I get 8 hours of sleep, I feel rested. Well, if I feel rested, I do better on my schoolwork. So, therefore, if I get 8 hours of sleep, I do better on my schoolwork. That's the law of syllogism. Now, the law of detachment, so there's the law of syllogism like we just talked about, but the law of detachment says if a vehicle is a car, then it has 4 wheels. And if I say, well, a Honda Accord is a car, well, then I know a Honda Accord has 4 wheels. Basically, what you're saying is if I know that this first part is true, then something else is true as well. Then if I am told that this is true, I know that the second part is true for that particular instance as well. So if a vehicle is a car, it has 4 wheels. Well, I know a Honda Accord is a car, so I know it has 4 wheels. If I say, if an animal barks, it is a dog. This animal barks. This animal must be a dog. That is the law of detachment. So hopefully that helps give you a quick review for quiz 2.04.